Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the GBH 3225 HD wired headset. On the front of the box, all we can see is the GBH logo. Same thing on the bottom with a slogan saying perfecting communication. There's nothing on the top. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features like its compatibility with smartphones and PCs, noise cancellation technology. It is an ideal headphone for office environments, crystal clear voice thanks to a decent microphone, and its compatibility with smartphones. On the right hand side of the package, we have some information about its manufacturing and assembly. And here we have a logo that shows us that the product is Microsoft certified. There's nothing important on the back, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. What we get in the box is some reading material in the form of a thank you note from the brand. And we also have this adapter cable with a USB Type A interface on one end and a 3.5mm audio jack female interface on the other. This is basically for a dual functionality of these headphones, and in case you want to connect the headphones via USB, you can do so with thanks to this cable. This cable is approximately 1.4 meters long, and it also has an inline control module with the volume buttons on the left hand side, a button that says M, which will mute the microphone, a button that says S, which will mute the speaker drivers in the ear cups of the headphones. Coming now to the headphones, as we can see, it has a black color theme going for it. The ear cups have some soft padding on it, and the headband is extendable to fit a plethora of head sizes. There is some GBH branding underneath the microphone, and while we are on the subject of the microphone, we see that it has approximately 300 degrees of rotation. The microphone is also of the gooseneck kind, which means that it is extremely flexible, so it can be adjusted for the most optimal use. Coming now to the cable, we know that this cable is approximately 60 inches long. On the end of the cable, we have a 3.5mm audio jack, and it is of the TRRS kind. It is also golden in color, but we are not sure if it is gold plated or not. To get started with using the headphones, all we need is a compatible device. For the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone. Once connected, the headphones can be used to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the GBH 3225 HD wired headset. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.